Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here with Everything Android, and today's video is all about the LG G7 ThinQ that was just announced. Yes, they have finally announced this device after all the leaks, and today we are taking our first look at it. Now, they are promoting 7 main features for this device, with the first being a super bright display. Yes, they are saying this display is so much brighter than almost any other smartphone on the market right now, which is going to be great for those who like to use their phone outdoors a lot. It's going to be easier to see the display. Not only that, but they say it saves energy under bright sunlight as well. The second is an AI camera. Basically, it can analyze what you're taking a picture of and customize your settings that best fits the object that you're taking a picture of. And not only that, but you can choose from optimized filters so you can get the perfect shot, whether you're taking a picture of a baby like you see here in the video, or say you're taking a picture of a tree, some type of plant, maybe a pet or some fruit. Whatever it is, it's going to be able to recognize that. Not only that, but it is also a super bright camera. So if you're someone that likes to take low light photos out at night in the dark, it's going to have great low light capabilities. And not only that, but you also get a super wide angle camera. Now, I'm not just talking about a regular wide angle camera like they've had before, but it is a super wide angle camera, so you can capture even more in your photo, whether it's with friends or you're out, visiting, a different country or whatever it is, and you want to take a picture with something. You're going to be able to capture a whole lot more in that selfie photo. Now, another cool feature is the Boombox Speaker. Yes, not only is it a super loud speaker, but you can actually feel the bass when either listening to music or watching videos. It's going to give you that great sound listening experience with the big built-in speaker. So that is going to be great. Now, you're also going to get super far field voice recognition. What it is, basically you get an enhanced microphone in the device to catch your voice more than just a couple feet away. You can maybe be standing 10 or 15 feet away. It's going to be able to hear you and listen to your commands on what you want it to do. Now, last but not least, you're going to get a Google Assistant key. It's kind of like Bixby, how we see on Samsung devices, but you actually get to use it for Google Assistant, which is actually a whole lot better. Now, overall, this is a great phone so far with a premium build. Honestly, I still hate the notch, but at least there is an option to hide it. Honestly, I didn't like the phone at first, when all the leaks came out, but seeing the official device, it actually looks a lot better. Now, I will try to get my hands on one to do a full review with detailed specs, but this is the first look at the LG G7 ThinQ. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave your comments, your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber already, and turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones with Everything Android, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.